Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Warrior Plus, a marketplace where you can grab digital products, services, apps, software to promote and earn commissions from. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to keep on watching. Okay, in this short training, I'm going to show you around Warrior Plus and how to choose a product. So what you're going to do is you're going to log on. You're going to create an account first, and it's a free account, and you create it just like you do any other Google or email accounts. Very simple, straightforward. Once you create it, then you're going to log in. Once you're logged in, this is your main dashboard, and here at a glance, you can see all of the different products, and you can see them for today, yesterday's products, or the last 7 days. Now these are just at a glance. Now if you want to find top vendors, you would come over here to affiliates, and you're going to drop this down, and you're going to come to offers. And once you've logged into offers, you're going to start right in here. These are all going to be your filters. You can find a product by the title or a specific keyword. For example, if you're doing social media and you want to find products on social media, then you would put in your keyword here. If you've done business with a previous vendor and you don't see him off the bat, you could put in the vendor's name. You can sort by different, the pulse score. The pulse score is just basically a score the vendor gets depending on how many affiliates they have promoting their product. So anything over 30% is it's a good product for you to try to promote. Also, launch day, the number of sales, the number of visitor value, average sale conversion rate, and vendor. So these are all the different filters that you can use. Now down below, here is one of the products here, and these are both clickable links. This is the name of this product, and this is the name of the vendor. And here you can, if you click on it, it'll take you to their profile. So we will do that in a second. So then here you're going to see the release date. This is the date that it was that it came out, the number of sales, and then the conversion rate. With this one, it is 12%. Now you want to stay with a conversion rate of 10 and above. That means that it's converting very well. Now, if you decide to go with a conversion rate under 10%, then definitely do your research, go into that page, make sure that you like it. Preferably, I would purchase it and make sure that it's of good quality. I personally only promote things that I purchase before I promote them to my list. And so visitor value, what that is, it's basically, it means that if I send 100 visitors to this product and I got 100 clicks, each visitor on average would cost me $1.94. So that would be my visitor average cost, average sale, and refund rate. Now on refund rates, you want to kind of stay around 4%. 4% and under refund rate. Anything over 4%, you may want to look at the number of sales that they've had. So if their number of sales is anywhere between 1,000 and more, and their percentage is 5%, then that number is actually kind of low because they've had a lot of sales. Now if you've got 250 sales and they've got an average of 5%, then you might want to be worried about that number then. And this next number here is the pulse percentage as well, the pulse rate. Now anything over 30% you want to promote. It means that a lot of affiliates are liking this and they are promoting it out there. So you see this one has a pulse of 119, 108. So these are high pulse rates. So you want to kind of stay in your 30s and above. And finally, how do you promote the product? So what you do, let's say you like this product here, you would come to this little guy right here and click on request. And when you click on, you can click request here, or you can click the product from here. And so we're going to go with this request here. And what this will do is access their profile. So in their profile, you're going to get a small overview of who they are and a little bit about them, the funnel map, and the products that are in this, the number of products that are in the package that you are promoting. Now, if you wanted to know a little bit more about the product, then you can click on JV, this JV page. This is for affiliate. This is more information for you, the affiliate. If you click on it, it's going to take you straight to there. I'm going to do a little bit more information about them. And then if you click the link here, it'll take you to promote, to get try to get your special link so that you can promote it. So then if we go back and you decide, okay, you got a good feel for it, you want to promote it, then you would go right in here where it says request approve. Now, when you request to approve for a product, sometimes they will not approve you off the bat, and that's usually if you don't have a certain amount of sales with Warrior Plus, but that doesn't always mean that you're not. So, I got approved right off the bat without having, promoting anything. So what it is do you have a website? Where are you planning to promote their products? So you want to give them a little description here about where you're promoting. So I have a list. So I told them that I had a following. And so therefore, if you don't have a following, then you want to be honest with them and say, hey, I'm looking to do business with you. And more likely they will. I mean, they want people to promote them. So you want to give them a brief description of where is it that you're going to promote their product. And once you do that, then you kind of, you click request offer. And then once you request offer, then you wait for them to email you and send you a notification that you've been approved. Then after you have, gotten your link, then you can go back to the marketplaces to see more top products of the day. But like I said, keep it to a minimum so that you are not overwhelmed with all of these different products. So it's really important that you do that. And so that's it for Warrior Plus. I hope this video was helpful on getting around Warrior Plus dashboard and how to promote them.
Okay guys, so now that you know how to pick winning products from Warrior Plus or pretty much any marketplace, it's time to promote them so that you can start earning commissions. So if you are low in funds or low in cash and you don't know how to place ads, then let me show you how to place free ads in this training. So you can find that video up in the cards or down below in the description box. So if you're ready to get started, then I'll see you in that next video.